Drinking plenty of water is a simple way to improve your health. The benefits are improved skin, gut health, speeding up metabolism, among many other things. It's a small habit with lasting benefits. 8 glasses of water a day is the recommended amount. There is an applet on IFTTT that sends reminders to hydrate every hour. I find that once every hour is a few too many notifications, and I start to zone them out. So I'm upgrading this classic applet to send 8 notifications during the day. I'm Drea from the IFTTT team, and I'll show you how it works. The applet is triggered every hour on the hour. The action sends a notification to my phone using the IFTTT app. By adding filter code, I can tell the applet to skip its action between certain hours. I can keep track of if I'm drinking enough water just by clearing the notification every time that I get it and then go and drink some water. If you want to be a little more sophisticated about how you track your water intake, you can use a second action in Google Sheets to track every notification and then mark it off every time you drink water. I publish both of these applets so that you can connect them for yourself. You can make one of these applets your own and send the notification anywhere you like. Slack, email, text message, any channel that you are communicating on, you can have this notification sent there. Another way to customize this applet is to change the time that the applet fires. The same goes for tracking your water intake. If you'd like to use another way other than Google Sheets, you can have a task added to your to-do list on your iPhone, you can have a task added to Google Tasks, or you can simply use my method, which is to clear the notifications every time I drink a glass of water. I hope this applet helps you to stay hydrated. Check out this other applet that tells you when you can see the International Space Station overhead.